In this short video, I'm going to share with you how to change default video player on Mac. Let's say you have a video file ending in .mov. When you double-click it, it automatically opens with the macOS QuickTime player. To change the default player for this .mov format, right-click the video, then select Get Info. In the Info window, look for the Open With section. Here you'll see the current default player is QuickTime player. Click on it to select a new player. If the player you need isn't in this list, click Other and browse your Applications folder for the player you want to use. Finally, click the Change All button to apply this to all other .mov files. If you don't, this setting will only apply to the specific video you selected. After applying the changes, double-click the .mov file, and it should open with your new player. One quick note, this setting is specific to each file type, so if you have other formats like MP4, MKV, or AVI, simply repeat these exact same steps for each of those formats. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a like to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.